Welcome, and from is a Bluboo S8, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. I have one right here. They come provided with the device in the box. Find it somewhere between all those useless brochures. And from there you can pop out the tray that is located on the top of the device. So right over here, as you can see where the pin is holding now. And when you push it in, the tray pops out. And on the tray you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. So if you plan to use two different SIM cards, you would just place one right over here instead of the SD. As you can see, that's how it would go. But because I'm gonna be using both of them, so there's the SIM card and SD card would go right over here. Like so. Now keep in mind when you're going to be sliding back, inserting the tray back in, that nothing is holding the cards, so if you flip them over they will just simply fall out. So you want to hold them securely and then slide it back into the phone, as you can see right now. And we should be done, prompted with the pin. There we go. So let's put the pin of the SIM card. So the SIM card is working and SD card is working as well. So that is how we would insert SIM and SD. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.